100 affirmations for the heart chakra. I deserve love and being loved. I love myself to the fullest. Love is all around me. It's everywhere I go. I am surrounded by love. I attract good, loving, kind people into my life. The power of love is inside me. I am welcoming love with open arms. I'm happy and grateful for having loving people in my life. I give my relationships the attention they deserve. I am ready and open to receiving love and blessings. I am good and beautiful enough the way I am. My natural loving nature attracts love to me like a magnet. All my relationships are now loving and harmonious. I am ready to receive love. All my relationships are meaningful and rewarding. I have wonderful and supportive friends. Friendships come easily to me. I converse well with all kinds of people. I concentrate on my friends' good qualities. I choose to be involved with good-hearted people. My friends are free to be themselves around me. I am letting love into my life. I receive love in abundance from everyone I meet. I am grateful for all the love and affection I get. I deserve fulfilling relationships. My heart is open. I am attracting trusting and loving relationships. Real love starts with me. I am grateful for all the love and affection I get. I see love everywhere I go. I am worthy of the compliments I receive. I am worthy of love and care. I deserve the love I receive. I love myself and am open to love. The more love I give, the more I receive. I love to give and receive love. I take time to nourish my whole self. I am a priority in my own life. I choose to live in the moment and take things one day at a time. I'm doing the best that I can do. My best is good enough. Mistakes are proof that I'm learning and improving. It is okay for me to be kind to myself. There is a beautiful, loving light inside of me. As I focus on compassion, I naturally relate to others with love and understanding. Respect begins with love, and therefore I love my entire self. I am worthy of infinite and unending compassion. Compassion is infinite and fully surrounds me and my life. All of my decisions are inspired by inner wisdom and compassion. I find love everywhere I go. I am willing to be happy now. As I feel happy, I am manifesting more reasons to be happy. I accept that happiness is my true nature. My happiness comes from within me. Joy is the essence of my being. I am experiencing joy in everything I do. I am meant to live a happy life. My inner joy is the source of all the good in my life. My inner joy reveals the path to my best life. I am allowing myself to feel good. My choice to be happy is keeping me in perfect health. I am worthy of feeling happy. The life I've always dreamed of is created by my choice to be joyful now. I give myself permission to enjoy myself. The happiness I feel is felt by everyone around me. I am creating the possibility of happiness for others by being happy. All the good in my life comes to me as a result of my willingness to find happiness in each moment. My inner joy expands when I share it with others. My happiness is reflected back to me in everything I attract. I am feeling happy with myself as a person. I am always happy, hale and hearty. I am vigorous, energetic and full of vitality. I am happy to be alive. My life is filled with health and happiness. I trust that everything in my life is unfolding perfectly. I am willing to be at peace with myself and everyone. I am healthy, happy and radiant. I realize the gift of this precious human life. I am giving thanks for each exquisite moment. I am appreciating every blessing, no matter how small. I let go of negative experiences. I am letting go because I need to go. I am releasing painful thoughts that occupy space in my head. I am ready to move forward with my life. The past has no power or control over me. I am ready to live my life free of the past, and by looking forward to new adventures. I feel good about the future. I step away from the prison of resentment into freedom. I choose to be free and happy. I choose the contents of my life. I am appreciating myself for learning all the good things from the past. I let go of all the barriers and hurdles that come in my way to success. I let go of all the negative thoughts that affected my past. I am trusting the phases of life and releasing the past with ease. I am grateful for knowing about the reality of many things in my past. I am releasing all the painful thoughts of my past. I am converting my past into my future very positively. I am releasing all the things from my past that are not for me. I am forgiving myself for my mistakes in my past. I am now living my life the way I want to.